And overflowing blessings to everyone. For our daily verse, we are now at Genesis chapter 28, verses 13 up to 17. The Lord was standing beside the ladder and said, I am the Lord God who was worshipped by Abraham and Isaac. I will give you and your family the land on which you are now sleeping. Your descendants will spread over the earth in all directions and will become as numerous as the specks of dust. Your family will be a blessing to all people. Wherever you go, I will watch over you. Then later I will bring you back to this land. I won't leave you. I will do what I have promised. Jacob wake up and suddenly thought, the Lord is in this place, and I didn't even know it. Then Jacob became frightened and said, this is a fearsome place. It must be the house of God and the ladder to heaven. So in this passage, the Lord also speak to Jacob. The way he speak to Abraham and the way he speak to Isaac. So here, the Lord reinstate his promises to